looking thin and lovely like a little bird, and I'm concerned, little bird. Can I tell you something maybe that you do not know? You're living in the garden, but it's gonna snow by October. October, little bird. It takes one to know one, little bird. It takes one to know that you were heard. It takes one to know that drinking vinegar with snow catches flies much better than honey. Don't you know? It takes one to know one, little bird. Fitzgerald reading Hemingway, telling me that Daisy always gets replaced. It's really sad. She's my favorite little bird. Smoking cigarettes although you're just 14, living like you're dying, nothing's as it seems. You'll be okay, little bird. It takes